Hello everybody, this is Alice Dee, the featured living food chef of Raw from the Garden and author of its popular raw vegan recipes book here. As you probably know, I am so excited because we're getting ready for the raw vegan cuisine for healing and weight loss play shops at Spirit Lake Hermitage coming up in Lower Lake this summer. The Hermitage offers a wonderful location for a small gathering like these play shops with plenty of extra amenities. Our weekend workshop retreat dates for the 2018 season this year will be on May 18th, 19th, and 20th, July 27th, 28th, 29th, or August 31st, September 1st and 2nd, or October 5th, 6th, and 7th. So there should be a series of dates that will fit perfectly into your schedule. I will be the featured chef and speaker lined up to head the play shop, and I'm offering you my deep experience of spending almost 2 decades immersed in preparing raw vegan dishes for myself and others. As many of you probably know, this very natural diet for humans offers fantastic benefits for various chronic diseases like diabetes, heart disease, depression, and some cancers. It also helps with issues like constipation and improves inflammatory conditions and nutrient deficiencies. Even better, this naturally slimming diet helps you easily maintain a healthy body weight happily. A raw vegan diet can be used to reverse even the most severe case of obesity quickly and very healthily. So if you need to drop a few extra pounds or a whole lot more, the raw vegan diet will definitely help you achieve your weight loss goals. The delicious and fully raw vegan recipes featured in my pioneering raw vegan restaurant, Back to the Garden, have now been published in my new raw vegan recipes book at Amazon.com and readied for your presentation in this play shop. All attendees of my workshops will be provided with a full-color copy of my recipe book in ebook format, and we just need you to sign up now and join us at the play shop. You can do that by clicking on the link below this video or by going to www.spiritlakehermitage.com/retreats.html and choosing the raw vegan play shop option at the top. What I also want to do in this video is to show some people who've enjoyed dining at my restaurant and they thought about the raw vegan cuisine I'm going to be showing you how to make and enjoy in your very own home. Also, I wanted to show you some of the delicious raw vegan food like the dishes you're going to be offered at the retreat for you to sample and to learn how to prepare on your very own. As you can see on the screen right now, this delicious spread of creative raw vegan dishes would satisfy just about any appetite or palate and will leave you with a range of health benefits like a renewed sense of vitality, a slimmer figure, rebounding energy levels, a clearer complexion, a more youthful appearance, and the resolution of many chronic diseases. You should also enjoy a clearer conscience and a generally happier outlook on your life as you start enjoying the kindest and most natural and healthful diet possible for your species. Well, that's all for now, and I hope to see you at one of my upcoming play shops. Remember to click on the link below or sign up and view more information and ask questions by visiting www.spiritlakehermitage.com/retreats.html. Be sure to register right away to reserve your spot for this popular play shop since attendance is limited to assure a quality experience for everyone. See you there.